Hello everyone. On this occasion, I will present a review of an interesting and meaningful story. Before we get into the main discussion, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Stephen Mikael Hutagaul. I am from Pendidikan Bahasa dan Sastra Indonesia. Here, I will briefly explain what a review is. Reviewing a story is just a retelling of the plot, but also an objective assessment of the elements that make up the story, such as them, plot, character, and characterization, setting, style, and the moral messages the author wishes to convey. By reviewing, we can identify the strengths and weakness of the story, as well as understand the implement meaning behind each event or action of the character. In this activity, I will attempt to convey my personal perspective on the story I read, considering its plot, character strengths, and how the author is able to emotional in readers. I will also discuss to real life and what values we can take from it. Here I will tell you about the story of Eacher from the Father. Let's watch and see the explanatory video together. Let's go. Echoes from the Father is a psychological horror story that stands out not for its more scary scan, but for its emotional depth and the inner conflict of a character. The story depicts how fear, loss, and familial love collide in the situational that transcends reality. Overall, the story is well crafted and narratively strong. The author managed to create a constant atmosphere of tension from the first paragraph to the last. From the beginning of reader is implemented drawn into the gloomy atmosphere of the Lambert family as they try to organize their life after experiencing terror from the supernatural. The story main strengths in vividly constructed mode and character psychology. This describe sentence like the iron was thick, the book, and the ground trembled with the wake of restless spirit. Successfully create a profound sense of dread and visual without the need for excessive explanation. Furthermore, the story is just superficially terrifying, it's also symbolic. The ghost of Parker's scare, for example, can be interpreted as a representation of an unresolved past trauma. The Lambert family experiencing Joe's symbiosis how someone can be how it be childhood and unhid emotional wounds. So, this story is just about possessions or evil spirit, but also about humanity trapped against its own dark side. Character analysis. Josh Lambert. Josh is a brave, protective, and loving father, but also emotionality fragile. At the beginning of the story, he is portrayed as someone willing to risk his life to save his son. However, behind this crowd lies an unresolved childhood trauma. When his soul is exhausted with the spirit of Parker Crane, we see Joe's character change from loving to cold, temperamental, and even frightening. Number two, Renee Lambert. Renee represent a strong and intuitive mother figure. Her words are real, but they don't lead the resignational. When strange phenomena begin to occur, she does immediately give in to panic, but instead seek a logical explanation. Number 3, Lorraine Lambert. Lorraine is a figure of wisdom and spirituality in the story. She does reject the supernatural world, but rather accepts it a reality that must be understood. Number 4, Parker Crane at the Breed in Black. Parker is tragic attraction. He is not just an evil spirit, but a victim of his own past atrocities. Within him lies pain, revenge, and loss of the identity. Story strengths that atmospheric described are very immense. Readers can feel the tension even in quiet scans. The combination of supernatural horror and psychological trauma give the story a deep meaning. The plot moves at a good pace, building mystery with rushing, so the tension feels natural. Story weaknesses. While emotionality powerful, some selections feel a bit dense with description, which may overwhelm new readers. Furthermore, the ending leaves question unanswered, especially when Alice sees something at the end. This cliffhanger is compelling, but it may also leave some readers feeling on the side because the conflict is purely repulsive. From the very paragraph, echoes from the father immediately plunge us into a gloomy and tense atmosphere. The story offers more than just jump scare of physical horror, but rather emotional and spiritual terror. The main attraction of this story is not just a ghost, but the inner journey of the Lambert family, especially Josh and his wife Renee. They not only battle evil spirits, but also shadow from this past, guilt, and profound loss. The story shows that humanity greatest threats don't always come from outside, but can come from within ourselves, from underfed trauma, from unhealed past wounds. So that's all I have to say about the story. The conclusion is that the ending of the story presents a false sense of calm as if all problems have been resolved. However, the final sentence suggests that the darkness has truly dispensary. The symbiosis that in life there is not perfect resolution. Any peace we feel may be temporary, and shadow of the past can always return at any time. This cliffhanger, this cliffhanger ending makes the reader think further. It not only evokes fear, but also an existential reflection that every human being has their own further, an inner space where memories and wants reside. Overall, Echoes from the Father is more than just a typical horror story. It's a blend of supernatural suspense and psychological reflection, embracing love, loss, and the courage to face the dark side of life. The story's strength lies not in the ghost, but in the emotional and symbiosis that accompany them. The story successfully demonstrates that true horror does come from the spirit world, but from the first within humans themselves, which I live unclean cat by become evil spirit that house us through our liver. Thank you.